and I recommend development as career to anyone, because you will meet a lot of people that will be very friendly and you can learn from each other. And what I have seen working with a lot of people in different teams, people will usually share their findings, shortcut, so to help each other to be better developer. My name is Galina. I graduated from Northcoders in September 2022. I work in GlobalLogic as a software engineer. I was a sales manager all my life, 15 years, and I worked in international logistics, in real estate, and then in IT, but as a sales manager. And I was kind of immersed in the development, but from the product side of view. So I know about everything about the values, which product can bring to client, but I was not able to understand how to implement it in the future, like this current project. I think that there are several factors. One of them, it was a war in Ukraine. I fled Ukraine and came here as a refugee. Before coming, when I first heard the explosion in my old in my own town, I woke up and I understood that I need to learn coding. Coding is the way that you can earn money, and support yourself, your family, and your country. So for me, I know that this is a way to independence, and I knew that it's a very interesting field where you will never stop learning. And I think if you are the kind of person that likes learning, reading, applying something, development is definitely the career that you will thrive in. My sponsor family, the family that I lived with, they asked around about the bootcamp with good reputation. We were recommended Northcoders. These 3 months, they were very intense. It was together with my moving to another country. It synchronized with that. But for me, the course was a lot of the times overwhelming, but a lot of times fun. I have done something that I would never thought that I will be able to do. I learned a lot. I met a lot of great people, and I understood that it's challenging but very rewarding job. I met great tutors, which helped me to go through these difficult times, and NC helped a lot. Some people will avoid asking for help, but I'm from the more sales background and I'm good in communication, so that is why I was begging for help. I remember when tutors were showing us how they are solving the problem on the screen, they will definitely joke about, okay, now it won't work because everyone is looking, or now I cannot spell something correct because everyone is looking. They make this experience of coding not that stressful, because sometimes people would expect you to know everything, and they said, yeah, we have been coded for 10 years and we are still doing this mistake, so guys, it's okay. I think Northcoders will has given you the opportunity to understand how the whole code will work in terms of back-end and front-end. During the last final project, we need to upload everything and work with cloud repositories and know how it works. So I think this idea of not just covering front-end, but covering both sides equipped you for something maybe more complex in the real world. At least you know what's coming from what and how it will be rendered. I came from without any technical background, and I remember when my tutor asked us how do we think what server is. It was a silence was there, and he said, it's just another program, nothing magical. It's another program that will respond to other program in some of the ways, established rules, and you just need to understand it. So I think Northcoders has given this clear understanding of what is going on, and tutor have made a really good job explaining something very difficult and complicated in the very simple terms. I remember that I was studying with guys who graduated from the university, computer science university, and they said, I coded more during Northcoders when in university. and it was impressive. They learn how to code here, not there. And Northcoders is not just practice. They are not just giving you problem solving, or build this, or I think it was also holistic approach where you need to think when you're working on your project about design, about tickets, about planning, something that you will face in the day-to-day life in the real project. If I was talking about someone who is thinking about Northcoders, I would suggest go for it. From the technical point of view, I believe the world will evolve. So we will need more software in robots and in different industries. And for me, if you are working with the software, you're working on the forefront of the technology and evolution and revolution of something.